Today I'm going to be reviewing these Project Cloud sneakers. Thank you to the company for sending me these so I could go ahead and give you my review. So I've personally been on the lookout for some plain white sneakers. You can never go wrong with some plain white sneakers. This is why I absolutely jumped on the opportunity to go ahead and review these right here. However, they are available in a variety of colors. So if you're not looking for white sneakers and maybe you want something with some color, then definitely check these out. But let's go ahead and review these right here. So as you can see right out of the package, these have a minimal design. But the first thing that stands out is this 1.9-inch platform sole, which gives the sneaker a little bit of height, but also it keeps that casual look. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the inserts from the inside. This just is inserted, so you can go ahead, so the sneaker keeps its shape. Although they have the platform sole, they're actually not heavy. They are pretty lightweight. One of the things about this company is that they do have memory foam inside of them. So it's like if you're walking on clouds. The great thing about sneakers like this is that you could go ahead and dress them up or dress them down. You could wear them with a skirt. You could wear them for a walk. You could wear them to work out. They are so versatile. So you can see they do tie up here. They have these white shoelaces. All right, so let's go ahead and try them on. I'm going to see if they are true to size. I did get these in an 8.5. I'm usually between sizes like 8.5 to 9. So let's go ahead and try these on. All right, so check them out. I have them on. They're actually pretty lightweight. They are true to size. The 8.5 was perfect. They are not heavy. I actually just slipped them right in. All right, I'm showing you the back of the soles. But overall, if you want to check out the rest of the color options they have available, or if you're looking for some nice white platform sneakers that are actually comfortable, they feel nice and soft, very lightweight, then I'll go ahead and drop the link down below. Go ahead and click the link, check them out for yourself. And if you're not following already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.